Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in your Microsoft Word, if the read aloud feature is not working, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So when you click on read aloud, it does not work. In that case, first of all, go to Apple menu on the top and then go to system settings and then go to accessibility. Now go to spoken content and make sure speak selection is on over here. And then now you can try and then check. Still not working. In that case, on your keyboard you can press the option, and while holding the option, press the escape key,
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
and that should help you to get the read aloud function working in Microsoft Word.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.